Good evening, traders. This is Taylor from the tradinganalyst.com, where you can enjoy all of the member-only features like the live chat room, educational videos, and the real-time option and stock alerts with your very own 10-day free trial. Sign up tonight and start receiving alerts tomorrow. So we're going to take a look at the Apple chart here really quick. We still are below two downtrend lines, okay? It looks constructive here. It looks like we could be pushing up to break over this downtrend line. But until it does that, we have to assume that Apple will continue its waves downward. Okay. We've got a major point of resistance at 112.50, between 112.50 and 114. If we break about 112.50, I think we can for sure see this 114 area break over 114. Next target would be 116 up here near the upper Bollinger Band. On the downside targets, we need to be holding this uptrend line support right here. A break below that line would probably send Apple much lower, at least to 107, maybe even to the gap fill at 104 down here. Okay. Taking a look at the indicators over here, we've got the RSI, which is still below the 50 line. Typically, stocks that are bullish, they stay above the 50 line and they bounce back and forth between 50 and 70. Stocks that are bearish stay below 50 and they bounce between 30 and 50. See, that's kind of what we're doing right now. We're bouncing between 50 and 30. Looking at the MACD, a little more constructive on the MACD. We do have somewhat of an uptrend here. We made a higher low. This is the low of the MACD right here. And we crossed over bullish. Okay. Not a lot of momentum on that. So if you see it kind of spring up, that's when you're going to want to see, look for some action on the chart. Another thing to point out is the volume pattern. We've got decreasing volume. As you can see, it peaked over here. And then as Apple has been kind of chopping around, chopping higher, I guess I would call it, we've been having a decrease amount in volume. So if you see a higher amount of volume on the upside or the downside, that's going to be kind of what you're going to want to look for, whether it's a break below this line or a break above this line. Okay, so that's kind of what we're waiting for at the Trading Analyst, is a high volume break above or below this line. Until then, we're kind of just chopping around in a really tight range, and there's nothing really much you can do with it right here because it's not really as volatile as I would like it to be to get a significant move on it. Okay. So look for a high volume break above this line or below this line, and those should give you a pretty decent signal to go either long or short, depending on which way it breaks. Again, you can join the tradinganalyst.com for free with your 10-day free trial. Join us in the chat room. Everyone's having a good time, making money, and most importantly, watching each other's backs and helping each other navigate the market. It's a great opportunity, and I really suggest that you take advantage of it. We'll see you over there.